Alright guys, so I haven't put my head torch on yet. There's a light coming from this direction. I want to know where it is. Maybe it's the moon. So I'm going south and the moon seems to go from east to west or west to east. So maybe it's the moon dipping down again. The stars are out, which is nice. But there's a light source coming from there. I think it's the moon, guys. So anyway, right, I've come at a crossroads. So I've got a path here, path here, path here, and a path here. Now let's look at the map. I've done a good time, mate, going there. How many paths have I got? So I've got 1, 2, hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've lost count again. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paths. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I'm here. I've done good time on there, mate. So I'm gonna still keep it to green, and then when I get a bit closer, so I want to have a look at this bit here. That looks interesting, and that's quite an easy walk there. So I've actually walked it before. So I've actually walked in the past. I've walked along here, up here, down here, went down here by accident, then this way, and then down that way. So yeah, I was actually talking to God just a minute ago. I was asking if you exist. I will discuss my mental health in another video, but I'm too busy. What's that there? What's that there? Oh, I think that's an animal, I think, a deer. Or maybe it's that fox again. Yeah, so I was there a minute ago, wasn't I? There, maybe it's the fox. Hello, Foxy. Right, anyway, I'm going to put it on green light, guys, and then I'll see you when I get there, alright? Bye-bye.